Hello everyone, we welcome you all on the YouTube channel of GeoVigyan, and in this video we will be telling you about the exam on the 7 days free online program of ArcGIS training which was conducted by GeoVigyan in past week. Exam date will be 24th of May 2021 and exam timing will be 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. which is according to Indian Standard Time and is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Exam will be conducted on Google Form whose link is present in description of the video and will also be shared to our Telegram channel. The minimum training exam eligibility criteria is as follows. As we have already mentioned everywhere since the starting of this ArcGIS training, to get an E certificate, you should have minimum of 80% attendance and 40% marks in training exam. So, if you have successfully attended and filled the 4 sessions attendance and feedback form, then you are eligible for this exam. Otherwise, we won't consider your exam response. Now we will tell you about the exam pattern for ArcGIS training program. The exam will be conducted in 2 parts. Part 1 will have quiz type in which there will be 2 sections. First section will be of MCQ, that is multiple choice question, which is of 20 marks and 10 questions, that is 2 marks for each question. Section 2 will have MSQ type questions, that is multiple select questions in which more than one answers can be given. It will also contain 10 questions which will be of 30 marks in which 3 marks per question will be given. Total marks is 50 marks and qualifying marks for this part is 20 marks. Time duration for this part will be 1 hour. Now coming to second part, it will contain assessment task which you have to do in ArcGIS software and will contain of 50 marks. In this also qualifying marks is 20 and time duration is 2 hours. Now note few things. For receiving the E-certificate of this training program, it's mandatory to do second task which you have to perform in the ArcGIS software. Performance will be judged on the basis of quiz and task both. If you are attempting just quiz and are not eligible for the certificate. As you know, ArcGIS is all about practice and practical. If we found the same file of 2 or more participants, then their enrollment will be cancelled. Instructions for quiz: fill up your personal details carefully. All questions are compulsory, there is no choice. You have to complete the exam within 3 hours time. You are allowed to submit only once. Make sure that you have correctly attempted all the questions before submission. Make sure you clicked on submit button to successfully complete the test. Forms will be activated for 3 hours only. Now coming about the result. The result of the training exam will be disclosed on our YouTube channel on 28th May 2021 at 8 p.m. according to Indian Standard Time. If you pass the training exam, you will get the training certificate up to 15th of June 2021. And more details about the certificate will be given in our next video, which will be uploaded as a result of the exam. So best of luck for exam from GeoVigyan. Thank you, keep supporting and keep watching and keep learning.